Hello and welcome to Sweet Leaf Soapery's YouTube channel. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Faith Ann Bodiani and I'm the owner and soap maker of Sweet Leaf Soapery. Now, before I get started today, I just wanted to mention a couple things. 20% of all June sales are going to be donated to the NAACP. The reason that I am doing that is because I think it's really important to help the Black Lives Matter movement. There is a lot of momentum behind the Black Lives Matter movement right now, and we need to keep it going in order for actual change to happen. We also have a giveaway going on right now. There's going to be 6 winners. I will link the video down below that has the rules in the description. I also have the rules to the giveaway on my Instagram and my Facebook page, both at Sweet Leaf Soapery. And there will be a post that says official giveaway post. Those posts have the giveaway rules in them. And with all that being said, I'm so excited. This is the first video I'll be posting for my July soaps. And the theme for July is going to be summer treats. So I'm very excited, and with all that being said, please enjoy the soap making video for today. Okay, so my oils look a tad different today. That is because they have colloidal oatmeal in there. But I am going to strain my lye water solution into my oils and blend it with my stick blender. Okay, so I am really excited because I'm going to be making Fruit Loop soap today. And so this is going to be white. I'm going to set this off to the side. And then I'm going to have a little rainbow of all of the other colors in our soap. Okay. So as you can see, I have, actually you cannot see that well, so I have 6 buckets with just a teeny tiny bit of soap in it, and a 7th one off to the side. This one is going to be white. So let me go through and add my colorants. I have some Queen of Hearts by Nurture Soap, Orange Marmalade by Nurture Soap, Yellow Vibrance by Nurture Soap, I have some Enchantment Green by Nurture Soap, surprise, surprise. I have Tropical Teal by Nurture Soap. And then I have Grape Knee High by Mad Micas. And then our fragrance oil today is Fruity Rings by Nature's Garden Candle. And this one smells exactly like Fruit Loops. It smells so good. I am in love with it. Okay, I'm just going to whisk these in by hand, and I am going to be whisking them in a certain order so my colors don't get too muddled. Okay, I have all of my colorants mixed up. They all look fabulous and perfect. Let's go ahead and pour it into our mold. Okay, so I have my white. I'm gonna pour some of that in here. And then I think I might wanna go rainbow order. Let's see, so then I'm gonna do purple next. And then I'm going to do blue, and I'm gonna do this one straight down the middle, all around. Oh, I love this tropical teal. This looks amazing in person. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. And you know what? I actually think I'm just going to pour all of them out. I'm getting it all over my mold. It drives me crazy when I do that. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a touch more white. Okay, now I'm going to do green. Okay, now I'm going to save a teeny bit of green and go to yellow. Go back in with the rest of this green. Oh my gosh, my apartment smells amazing. I also just made a rainbow sherbet soap. Oh my gosh, my apartment smells so fruity and so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with a touch more white. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the orange marmalade. Okay, and then that Queen of Hearts. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little better job at scraping out my containers. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my white and I'm just going to gently try to place it on top. My other colors are not quite thick enough to do that or to support it, but when you use titanium dioxide, it really thickens up your soap. So I'm just going to have to make do. For our embeds today, I have these super cute little soapy Fruit Loops that I made. And I actually made the mold myself. These in the right place. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I'm gonna loop it on the toothpick. There we go. Okay, that's the method. Gotta loop it on the toothpick and gently slide it off. So I'm really excited about the month of July. And when you are making soap, you have to let your bars cure actually for about 4 to 6 weeks. So when I'm making this, it's actually in the middle of May right now. But I'm so excited because this month we are actually upping production. We have been selling out quite a bit very fast, so I think it would be only fair to you guys to actually have some stuff in stock. I'm sorry if I'm not super talkative today. I'm just really trying to focus on getting these darn Fruit Loops in the right spot. All right, so my top is all done. I have all of my Fruit Loops on there. And now I'm going to add some Blue Enigma mica out of my mica sprayer. And if you guys ever watch any of my other videos, y'all know that this is my favorite soap topper ever. It just makes everything nice and iridescent and so beautiful. All right, I am done with my soap. I will bring you guys in for a little close-up and I will be back in about 18 to 24 hours to cut our loaf into bars. So this is the top of our loaf. It is so iridescent and beautiful and I'm in love. All right, I am back. It's been just about 20 hours. Oh my gosh. You guys, these are so cool. Okay, here's the first official cut. I am in love. Oh my god, these are so awesome. Look at how cool. Look at how cool this bar is. And I am loving the tropical teal. That's the blue colorant. I think that came out so cool. It's the top of this one. And these smell exactly like Fruit Loops. All night my apartment was smelling like Fruit Loops. Ooh, this one's really cool too. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh my gosh, this is the last cut and it looks like a smiley face to me, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make Dad's Turn to Cook. If you would like one of these bars for yourself, they will be available on my Etsy shop on July 1st at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. And if you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out my channel. If you have any soap ideas that you want to see made, please leave me a comment below. And with all that being said, I hope you all have a fabulous, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.